Hello, friends! Today is our Class 20, and we will learn about the pen tool. The pen tool is a vector drawing tool used to create perfect lines, curves, and custom shapes. It is used in logo design, tracing, illustrations, icons, and many other graphic design tasks. The pen tool is found in the toolbar on the left. When you click once, it places a point. With the pen tool, you can place another point anywhere and create any shape you want.
With the pen tool, we can also create curved designs. First, place a point. Then, wherever you place the second point, don't release the mouse. Drag it to create the amount of curve you want. After that, click again with the pen tool to place the next point so the shape forms exactly how you want. When you connect the second point to the first one, it locks the path. Now you will see the handles, which help you adjust the curve of your design. Next, go to the Direct Selection tool and control these handles. When we trace shapes, every corner of the shape has an anchor point. Just click on those corners and keep placing points to complete the tracing.